How important is culture inside your clinic walls, and what are some ways that you intentionally cultivate that culture with your team?
We continue train. We continually have office meetings. I continue to try to help them see my vision and ultimately the mission of Carolina's Chiropractic and Spinal Rehab. And the culture is extremely important because I've always thought that the way that you address or the way you interact with someone can actually improve them by 10% better or worse. And we know that pain is never just it is not just physical. It also has an emotional and a mental component to it. And if we can help those people, we can be their teammate in this process. We can hold their hand, we can treat them like a human, and we can ultimately remove hurdles for them to get where they're going, then the patient outcomes are better. And ultimately then we build trust with them, and they give us the time that's necessary in order to let the body heal. And so that culture comes back to treat them the way you want to be treated. I've always used the analogy of, or the concept of, my mom was a fifth grade teacher, my dad was a small town business owner, and we're trying to do a chiropractic care the best we can with the heart of a fifth grade teacher and the customer service of a small town business owner. And if we combine those two things and we put that energy into the patients, then we ultimately put them in the right mindset so that we can remove their physical restrictions, and then hopefully the body will heal from that perspective. But it's a team approach. And we work really hard at it. I'm not telling you that we're perfect, and I'm not telling you that healthcare is easy, but we try to do it with a smile on our face and ultimately with the patient at the focus of our intentions.